All right. Hello, BSU students. This is Mr. Mitchell. Just checking in with you today. We're getting started on our course, and I just want to give you a very quick video tutorial on working with FL Studio and downloading it to your computer and just exploring just the basic functionality of what it means to install software on your computer using Installation Wizard. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. You can read this pretty much. You can read this lesson tutorial notes that I will assign as a PDF. Okay, so what are we trying to learn today? We're jumping right into the lesson objectives. We're going to download and install the current version of FL Studio 20.6. We're going to choose the version of the platform and operating system. We're going to try to understand the trial limitations of software, and we're going to follow the installation wizard for a new install, and we're going to add applications to the dock, and then we're going to play the demonstration song. So go ahead, let's get started. Okay, first thing that you want to do is you want to go to your browser as so and use your search engine of choice. I use Google and type in FL Studio 20.6 and then press the enter key. So we're going to do that right now. Google FL Studio 20.6 download, hit the enter key. Now you're at the top of here, and what you see is download FL Studio in the top portion. Okay, you want to go ahead and click that and make sure just that it says image line, because that is the maker of FL Studio. All right, so we go ahead and click on there. All right, so here you have options to buy FL Studio. Just check my notes. Or you can use the trial installer. Hint, hint. The trial installer is what you need to go ahead and get. So if you have Windows, you go ahead and click this button. If you have a Mac OS, you go ahead and you would click this button. Okay? Either or. I'm going to pause that. Now it goes into versions. What they're trying to do is show you which version that you're using and help you understand what it means, what you get in the trial version. And so all they're saying here is, which FL Studio edition do I need? If you're using the trial version, it's equivalent to FL Studio Producer edition with all plugins. So that's like their medium level package. The Producer edition allows you to do full song creation, mic recording, and a bunch of other specific things that you get, plus all the plugins. So you get a little bit of this version with a little bit of that version. They just want you to know that. Secondly, double checking the outline, you go ahead and download it. Once you download it, you should see this opening window, and it just asks you, what are you trying to do with the download? And you're going to say, I want to open it. You're just going to press OK, like so. Once you click, it's going to start to download to your computer and look like that. Once it's fully unpacked and fully downloaded, you're going to click on it, and it's going to look like this, which is an open box. This open box means it's ready for you to install this new software onto your Mac or PC. Okay, so you click that button, double click. Lastly, you go through the installation wizard. Most of you probably do not have FL Studio, and so when you go through the installation wizard, it's going to be a fresh install. If you do happen to already have FL Studio, you may want to uninstall it. So I suggest you Googling how to uninstall from your Mac or PC. I, for instance, use a version of an uninstaller called Clean My Mac. It's really cool, and I'm not going to go into it too much, but I do just want to show you the interface. I'm able to use this, and it has a quick uninstaller function that will help you to quickly break up with your apps. Okay? So let's keep on moving and keep the timing going. Um, Once you get through everything and read through the licenses, tell it where you want the destination to go, the installation type. All this is it's pretty self-explanatory, but I just wanted to go over it to make sure you can understand it. So then you get to the summary. Installation was successful. You go ahead and close. Now, on the Mac, you want to go ahead and find that app, and it's usually going to be here. You're going to click the Applications window, and you're going to go find it in the Finder. So, like so. Then you can go here like that, and you're looking for the FL Studio Carrot, I guess. And I don't even see it. That's weird. FL Studio. There you go. So that's the FL Studio. I guess this is habanero pepper. I don't know what fruit this is, but it's there. You click on that, and you want to just kind of do this move where you drag it to the dock. Mine is already there. Okay, so you want to go ahead and just drag that to the dock and save it to your application shortcut window that is for Mac and PC. Okay, um, so we just went through those steps. Now we get to step 5. You're going to just double click the FL Studio logo for the app or the application shortcut. So we double click it. All right. We right click, go here, and let me close it up. Demo songs, demo projects. So just a quick overview. This is the browser window. It's the only one that we're going to learn today. And you go down, current projects, recent files, plugin database, plugin presets, channel presets, mixer presets, scores, backup, clipboard, demo projects. Click it. Now you go to demo songs, and you want to go to Knock Me Out. I really like the song. It's really catchy, by Adam Sabo and Johan Vilborg. All right. I don't know where they're from, but they have really cool names. Okay. So we go ahead and open it. All right. And last but not least, you may not hear any sound on yours. Let me erase that. You may not hear any sound, so you may have to go to, I want to say, options. There we go, I got it right. System, MIDI settings, audio setting, okay? I'm using a PreSonus audio box that is a sound card or an audio interface that I purchased actually recently. However, you may or may not have a device like that on your computer. So you just go in and you go click built-in output. I'm not going to do it at this time. Actually, I will, because I want to show you guys how to do it. Buffer length, we're not going to worry about that at this time. Mixer, we're not going to worry about any other parameters of this window except that. So we should be able to press play and hear our first song I was about to say Logic, in FL Studio. All right. So we listen to it for a quick second. There's a light over the ocean. There's a wind touching me. Another plan set in motion. Could it finally set us free? I like the pre-chorus. All right, so that was us listening to our first song in FL Studio. What we were able to learn today simply was how to go to a search engine, how to type in a query, FL Studio 20.6, download. We were able to go ahead and click the version that says image line only because anything else is a crack plugin and crack is whack. All right. We also were able to go to the image line homepage and provide the specific platform that you're on, Windows or PC. All right. We talked about trial limitations, which is the fact that you can save, but you can't open what you saved, but you can export. So we'll talk about exporting as we go through the class, but you can provide a stereo file, MP3 of what you created, but you can't go back into the source files and edit it because they want you to buy it. All right. We also went through a tutorial on the installation wizard, what it means to open up a zipped file, opening up the package contents, putting it on uh, your computer or hard drive, making a shortcut, and then after making a shortcut, launching it, going to the browser window as we already did, and opening up a demo song so that you can hear what your music should sound like. Again, this is Mr. Mitchell signing off. Hope all is well. Hope you're staying safe, staying in your homes, and only going out when you need to, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment bar. Thank you.